Level announced today it's releasing the Level Keypad, a smart entry panel that can unlock doors equipped with the company's smart lock products. The Level Keypad can be installed anywhere within 30 feet of the door it will be used with, can be programmed with multiple access codes, and is completely wireless. Level Keypad connects via Bluetooth to the company's sleekly designed Level Lock and Level Lock Touch Edition and the completely invisible Level Bolt, formerly Level Lock. Level is known for its discreet product designs, so it was surprising when the company teased the very visible lighted keypad late last year. That didn't really aesthetically match the Level locks it works with. But since the device is wireless, it can be mounted at angles that can keep it out of sight, should the installer desire. Level Keypad's main purpose is that it adds a new method of opening a door without a key or smartphone. It can be programmed with multiple codes that can be shared with family members, guests, or anyone who needs temporary access, and can even be finely tuned in the app to only allow certain codes entry at specific times. The Level Keypad is $79 as a standalone purchase, but if bundled with a Level Lock or Level Bolt product, it can be had for $59. It's available now at Level website. Correction, March 3, 9:50 a.m. Eastern Time. An earlier version of the story stated that the keypad must be installed within 20 feet of the lock. It is actually installable within 30 feet of the lock. We regret the error.